I'm in a Porsche Cayenne. Cayenne is named after a spice. I think it only makes sense to look for the spiciest food in Singapore. To do that, I'm going to enlist the help of my friend Gregory Liao, who's one of Singapore's best known food bloggers. I bet he'll know a couple of places where he can find some really spicy food.
Hi, I'm Gregory Liao. I'm a Singaporean food blogger, and we're here at People's Park Food Centre to try some of Singapore's spiciest food.
What are we doing here?
Okay, now we're here to try Mala Hot Pot.
It looks spicy.
Yeah, so it's spicy, obviously. It's a multitude of herbs and spices inside.
Okay.
Obviously, they've got the mala spice inside, which is kind of like a berry. It's actually not chili itself. It's kind of like a savoury gravy of sorts.
You know, those who know me know that I'm not really a spicy food person.
Is that right?
But
Okay.
but you know,
Well, hopefully
it's a job that somebody has to do. So.
Okay, got it. There are basically 3 levels of spiciness.
3 levels.
Yeah, there's low, medium, and high. You can tell by how spicy it is, by the amount of, by how numb your tongue gets. This is the spiciest of lot. It's meant for like China expats and China workers and you know.
Kids, do not try this at home.
So what makes this car so special?
This is a 5-seat SUV.
Yeah.
But the important thing is, what it does better, I think, than other SUVs is that it drives like a sports car. You wouldn't think that a car this size drives well, but it's got about 340 horsepower.
Wow.
From a 3-litre turbocharged engine.
Yeah. We're going to this place called My Makan Place, and we're going to try the spiciest Mee Rebus in Singapore.
Oh my god.
We specialize in our Mee Rebus, and we do have this Mee Rebus that we claim to be Singapore's spiciest Mee Rebus. We call it the Beast of Asia. We actually use this special chili called the Jolokia ghost pepper that we import from India.
I gotta say, it's different from other Mee Rebus that I've seen. They've got like ngoh and fish skin and fried fish or something. Yeah. So it's got more than just the standard Mee Rebus, the tahu goreng and all that, right?
Indeed. Oh, nice.
It's hitting you, is it?
Yeah, it is really hitting. No, this is spicier than the last part.
Okay. Really?
Yes.
Oh, then I'm in trouble. Wow.
Woo! It's spicy, but the chili really changes the character of the dish.
Yeah?
You can definitely feel that.
So it's not just spicy for the sake of being spicy.
No. I've tried a lot of Mee Rebus in my time, and I would say this is probably one of the...
It's up there.
Yeah, it's close to the top 5. I know I'm a layman, but this feels smooth. Is that...
It is.
Alright.
It is. This is the 3rd generation Porsche Cayenne.
Yeah.
And by now everyone knows that Cayennes they handle well, they're sporty, but I think that they'll be surprised at how comfortable it can also be. Because when you think of the word sporty and handles well and performs well, you think of rock hard suspension. Not in this case, and that's because it's got this active air suspension that's adaptable. So this is our last challenge of the day.
Yes, yeah.
I guess fittingly it's supposed to be the hottest stuff.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. What I've heard from the owner is that people have to finish this in 10 minutes, but when they do finish it, they actually request to be sent to the hospital. It is that hot. Okay, I'm actually genuinely scared.
Oh man.
Okay, here we go. Wow, it actually... Oh my god. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
Oh.
The food we have just eaten is called Spaghetti from Hell, level 18. We used to serve our suicide wings, and then a lot of the customer complained that it's not spicy enough. So we wanted to create something that will knock them out.
Besides the fact that it is oil rich, I cannot taste the actual dish itself.
No.
Okay, but it is by far the spiciest thing I've ever tasted in my life.
In your life, you've tried a lot of food.
Once you put it in your mouth, it literally takes like 2 seconds, okay,
Yep.
before the spiciness hits. And it lingers and it lingers and it lingers and it lingers.
So on that note, I think we'll sign off and say that I think we've completed our and failed our spicy challenge. While our tongues and stomachs were no match for the spiciest foods in Singapore, the Porsche Cayenne, on the other hand, didn't miss a beat. Its climate control system kept us cool on the ride home, while the ventilated seats were put to good use, if you know what I mean. With plenty of room for production crew and equipment, the Cayenne expresses Porsche's sports car together philosophy perfectly.